just wrapped up the Develop the Developer Academy with HomeFree. Absolutely phenomenal program for anyone looking to become a developer, hone in your skills as a developer, or sharpen your sword. Great program, HomeFree. Thank you.
I've been in the real estate industry for about 7 to 8 years, and even coming to this program now, my education has been expanded, my network has grown. Yes, it was intense. Yes, it took a commitment. However, this really inspired me to take my education to the next level, as well as my experience to the next level. So thank you, HomeFree-USA, and I look forward to being a part of this family moving forward.
I am filled with heartfelt gratitude and such appreciation for this program. I have learned so much in the last 5 days that I hope to take out and use to develop real homes in the real world. So I want to thank HomeFree-USA, thank the partners and the funders, and hopefully that you are here to continue our growth and help more developers blossom. Thank you.
I'm so appreciative of what I have learned with this HomeFree-USA Develop the Developer program. I was literally able to walk away with tangible tools. The community is now wide open for me in terms of becoming a developer. Thank you, HomeFree-USA, for the work you've done with this wonderful, phenomenal program.